The Lamborghini 350 GTV stands as the prototype that launched one of automotive history's most celebrated supercar manufacturers. Unveiled at the 1963 Turin Auto Show, this groundbreaking vehicle emerged from Ferruccio Lamborghini's determination to build a superior Grand Tourer after Enzo Ferrari dismissed his suggestions for improving Ferrari's clutch problems. Ferruccio assembled an exceptional engineering team led by Gianpaolo Dallara, with Paolo Stanzani and test driver Bob Wallace. He commissioned Giotto Bizzarrini, a former Ferrari engineer with his own grudge against Enzo, to design the engine and initial chassis. Bizzarrini created a racing specification 3.5-liter V12, producing 360 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute, equipped with 6 downdraft Weber carburetors, dual overhead camshafts, and a dry sump lubrication system. This engine featured a 9.5-to-1 compression ratio and aggressive valve timing, making it more suited for competition than comfortable road use. Franco Scaglione designed the aluminum and steel body, built by Carrozzeria Sargato in Turin. The 350 GTV featured striking design elements including hidden headlamps, 6 exhaust tailpipes, and a low-slung profile combining Italian elegance with sharp, aggressive lines. Ferruccio specifically requested styling cues from the Aston Martin DB4's tapering rear and Jaguar E-Type's sleek front. The car's debut presented an embarrassing problem. Workers discovered the body panels wouldn't fit around the engine. With no time before the Turin show, Lamborghini filled the engine bay with bricks and kept the hood closed throughout the exhibition. The incomplete prototype also lacked brake calipers, foot pedals, and windshield wipers. Despite being non-functional, the 350 GTV captivated audiences and generated substantial interest. However, Ferruccio found the design too impractical and the engine too aggressive. He commissioned Carrozzeria Touring to redesign the car and had the engine detuned to 270 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute with lowered compression ratio, altered camshaft profiles, wet sump lubrication, and side draft carburetors. This evolution produced the 350 GT, Lamborghini's first production model, with 120 units manufactured. After the Turin show, the 350 GTV remained in factory storage until the mid-1980s when dealer Romano Bernardoni and Lamborghini expert Stefano Passini acquired it. They commissioned modifications to make it drivable and changed its color from pale blue to metallic green. The car passed through several owners, including a Japanese collector who placed it in the Noritake collection. Today, the sole 350 GTV prototype resides at the Lamborghini Museum in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy, where it stands as a testament to Ferruccio Lamborghini's vision and the beginning of a legendary marque that continues producing world-class supercars.